how to convert steps in Sweatcoin. So if you want to convert steps in your Sweatcoin to Sweat wallet, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Sweat wallet and make sure to unlock your wallet. Once you're under the wallet, now you can have the balance right here. So in order to convert the steps in Sweatcoin to your Sweat wallet, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the balance option, which will be on the upper right. Tap on balance. So here you can see in my case, one Sweat coin means 6,731 steps. So what you need to do is simply go back, and then here you might have a transfer option. Tap on transfer. Once you tap on transfer, you'll be able to transfer, like send or receive the money. So in this way, you'll be able to transfer the money from your Sweat wallet to any other wallet. Or if you want to convert the steps in the Sweatcoin to your Sweat wallet, then what you need to do is simply have the application, the Sweatcoin application and the Sweat wallet application. Once you have both the applications, simply log into both the applications with your account. You need to log in with the same account, and once you log in with the same account, then it will automatically have the coins, like it will automatically transfer the coins that you have on your Sweatcoin to your Sweat wallet. You can go with the balance, which is on the upper right, and once you go with the balance, you can go with see all transitions, and here you will be able to see how many Sweat coins you've received on that particular day. So just log in with the same account on both the applications, and you'll be able to convert your steps in your Sweatcoin. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.